All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So this morning, this is what we're gonna be doing. I know it's been a while. We haven't been here. It's taking forever. That's since the last time we've been here. So what I'm gonna do this morning is that we are going to be opening a new account this time around. And here's the backstory here, right? So we were just trading this funded account. We got some payouts and stuff. We got taken out, or we broke our rule, whatever. We lost whatever amount of money. We broke our rule. So we're gonna renew the account. And to renew the account, it's a lot of money. It's about $900. That's with including what do you call it? That's including some let me see. That's including dang, I'm blanking on it. Discounts. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go right over here, go right ahead here and renew that account right away. For obvious reasons, I'm not gonna put in my card number on here, of course. So that's why I'm looking on the other side so I can do my stuff from here. So first I gotta go find my code. Okay, what is the code? So it's JNK8. What was it? JNK8JEW. So now we are just gonna add a card number to this here. Yeah, I don't like these kind of spending. It's a lot. But hey, it's better, to be honest. Alright, so let me show you guys. We just got, you see on there, congratulations, the account has been successfully reset. So what that means is that we are going to start trading live here. I'll say okay to that. I'll leave it. Then I'll go on back on here. I'll try to get an affiliate on here. Okay. So eventually I'll have my affiliate code in the description below, or in the link below. You can just go to that and then let me know if you want to be part of this. So what we're going to do here now is that we're going to exit out of this. Let me open another. First of all, we got to check our news. I'll exit out of this. Go back to this here. Yeah, I can't see my password. Okay, so here we go. So as we can see on here, I have two accounts. This other account, oh, okay, you can't see the amount on here, but I intentionally did that. So this account right here, I got approved for it. This is mine. I believe, let me see. Oh, not this right here. Come on, man. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my sixth day trading this account. So this one already passed. We just gotta like keep playing around with it until the 10 days goal reaches. So now I'm just gonna go and change. Is that 37? Okay, this is the account we just got, and this is my pro account. Respond to that. I said no. So this is the pro account, and our goal here is basically to make some money on here, and whatever else is over. First, we got to get our initial balance. Our initial balance is $4,500. Once we get that, then everything else above that is, it's just it's profit that we can withdraw. So what we're gonna do here this morning, like usually my rules, I'm just gonna go here first of all, see. I want to see what happened the previous night. I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why, but it's crazy. So this gap here is kind of okay. The gap is not really filled. There's only 1 hour here. If this keeps going down and breaks this bottom right here, I'm just gonna go short and ride it. Then that means it's probably gonna go down here. But I'll wait on that. I won't rush into it because now I'll see that the market's at a support, especially on the higher time frame. So I'm not gonna mess around with that. We're just gonna leave that right there. Even though I see the simple moving average, see that this is way below that. But let's see. First, let's go look at news. What's going on this morning? Because the thing about this is that crude oil inventory is coming out, or I don't know, it's coming out at 9:30. That means the crude oil market is going to be the crude oil. Because usually I want to trade the Nasdaq and crude oil. Crude oil is kind of slow, but I like it. I don't know why, for some reason. And then right here, okay, let me do it one at a time because, like I said, I'm nervous. I don't want to mess around this morning. And mess my psychology up. So first of all, we're gonna do crude oil. Okay, we see on the higher time. First of all, let's see, 15 minutes. Yeah, this market is in a downtrend here now. We see. Okay, cool. So higher time frame. All we see is huge uptrend. But if I was taking this for like the swing low, the previous swing low, I'll probably take this spot right here, which was broken. It was broken and closed below, basically. So that's a confirmation for me to go short in this market, definitely. And I'm gonna be waiting for that 9:30 crude oil inventory news. So maybe I should jump in it right now and see if I can take a few. No, I'm not gonna play it that way because then I wouldn't be doing myself justice. So I drew this on here earlier because I was expecting this resistance right here to get hit. So I just put that there just in case, but I'm not gonna mess around with that. I'm still gonna leave it as possible. This market can shoot up and fall back or whatever it is. So we know that we're going to be going short in this crude oil market, and we're just going to be waiting for that news. But before the news, if we see any opportunity, of course we're going to take it. That's why we're here. And then here we're going to go back to our, you know what, let me go back to crude oil and see on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, so we see that there was some type of resistance up here on a higher time frame. So Some huge resistance on the top. Yeah, which got hit. It got hit. It came down. I'm really thinking this market is gonna go. It's gonna go down here. So this gap is probably gonna close today. And if it does close, that's $1, $2, $3. I mean, every contract you buy and the market go $1 in your favor, that's 1,000. So if you buy 3 contracts, and it goes in your favor $1, that's $3,000. So we're gonna take the risk. It might not just go there today. It's already down $1.50, $1.50, 68 cents. So it's possible it can't. Crude oil is not that volatile. It doesn't move that fast. I mean, it happens once in a blue moon, but yeah. So we're not going to be risking that. Like we said, we're just going to be sitting on our hands and watching to see what goes on here. But we're going to be going short for sure. Excuse me. And then on here, oh yeah, with the fastest guy, Nasdaq, 1 hour. First, we want to see. Oh, yeah, this. So this. I would take this on a 1 hour. I would take this as a, come on, previous swing low, which came down, close, basically got broken, and it looks like it's trying to make a retest on here. So let me see this on the 4 hour, guys. I'm just doing some charting right now. Eventually, but looking at this market, it got to a resistance up here. Now we see it heading to a support. How long would we think it would take for this market to get down here? It's either this market is coming down right here, or it's going to come here to the bottom. That's what I believe. Right? This was broken. This right here was broken. Let me open this bigger. This, because it gave us that kind of leg. If you go in the lower time frame, you will see it gave us 1, 2, 1 up here, 2 here, 3, and then a shadow, right? So when we saw that came, kind of did the same thing lower time frame, you will see it too, broke to the downside. It's like going down now. So if we're in it by this time, we've gotten some profit. Let's see if we can jump in here. Maybe make some profit, maybe lose some money. But yeah, I'm looking down here. If we get in this market, I'm gonna ride it to a lower point here. But let's see. I don't think we have any major news today. There's a FOMC member speaking at 4:30 p.m. The market will be closed at a time. Probably impact the market at open. So we're not gonna go to that route. Nothing else. And then tomorrow we see unemployment claims at 7:30. Treasury is just a medium impact that's going to be happening. So there's really nothing major this entire week. Friday guy, flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI coming up on Friday. So I'll go back to our screen. Excuse me. Yeah, that market is moving too fast towards us, so we're gonna let it do whatever it can do over there. We're just gonna keep sitting on our hands here and trying to find opportunities in this market for sure. We think we're gonna get some opportunity. Let's see. Yeah, I forgot. I always have to add what do you call it? So I always have to add my stop loss to it, just to minimize my risk. And guys, the thing is, so this account I'm trading is $150,000 account. Usually if you're a new beginner, or new beginner, same thing. Usually if you are a newbie, you're just starting your trading journey, oh my goodness, this is just like ripping to the bottom without us, huh? Let's go down to the lower time frame and see if we can find some opportunity in here. I think we can. Yeah, this was a really sweet spot right here to grab this market, because there was like some noise over here, call it noise. But let's see, or else it could come back up here and get us out. But going back to the story, if you are just beginning your trading journey, you probably want to go with a prop firm route, because this $150,000 account, that's what I call leverage. When I bought it, like when I bought the same account, I bought it for I think it was on sale for $216 at the time. And I traded the order. I got approved for it. I followed the rules. I got approved for it. And I got some payout the other day, but I just broke my rules. So now this company, Take Profit Trader, is the only company that really do resets on your pro account or your funded account. So they will fund you. You will trade whatever profit you make. You will share the profit. A 20-80 split, or now they have the 90-10 split, where you got to go into a different, like a pro plus account, they call it. So use that way instead of spending your own 10 grand and losing in the market, especially as a newbie, because I've been there before. Go spend you $300, get your $150,000 account, you know, follow that rules, get funded, and you know, the sky's the limit. You determine how much you want to make a day. And the thing about it is that you're not going to make money every day. But on average, how much do you want to make? You know, you lose money today, you make money tomorrow, you make high money the next day, low money the other day. You know, all that you add and divide it, how much do you want to make when you are actually right, and how much do you want to make? I mean, you want to lose, you're willing to lose when you are actually wrong. So it's really up to us on what we want to do, how we want to do it. Okay, so I'm convinced now that this guy looks like he's going to be heading to the bottom here. I'm still kind of skeptical on taking it, but at this point I think we should get closer to it and see if we can grab some of it. So if I go on a 1 hour time frame here, and I can see this. I know this is unrealistic. I'm like having it $3 away on profit target. So let's go to 15 minutes. It's crazy. This is just like freaking ripping. Oh, see, that's why I was. So I was kind of scared of, like, we should have grabbed this here long
Order filled.
So now, guys, we are just in our first trade of the day. Our very first trade of the day. And if you look right here to the upper left corner, that's where our what you call it? That's where our profit is. So we just got in the market and we see we are up. We're gonna keep waiting here and see what this market does. I gotta remember I can't be leaving my desk because this, yeah. Okay, as you can see, we are. Now my problem is that sometimes I'm not patient. So I'm gonna wait here. We see we are up $800, and all this money we're making, guys, these are real money right now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cut it.
Order filled. Order filled.
With this rule right now, everything is like the unrealized gain is tracked, right? So whatever money we lose, that's gonna be tracked on there. Like if you go up here on the account, excuse me, you see that up here. Even though we just made some money, but it said we lost $200. So because of that, we'll wait. I'll wait and scalp you a little bit more. It looks like, man, that boy looks like he's about to break. I'm scared. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait and be patient on that. Damn. He's not playing, man. He's not playing. Wow. I'm gonna wait right here. Because now, if we didn't have that intraday rule, I would just got the trade and walk away from it, and watch it pan out. I wish I cut this earlier when it was at 60 something. By this time, we have been like 40 points profit already. 40 cents, I mean. See, that's what I said. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I just gotta be patient in this market today. I'll wait for this right here. So this right here, 65.75. I'm gonna wait for this market to come up here to me if it comes up here. If not, I know it's in a downtrend. I'm gonna catch it somewhere somehow. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, we're gonna have our I'm gonna push this up here for a little bit. Yeah, so my goal this week, hopefully by the end of the week, we can reach our initial balance of $4,500. And whatever else we make on top of that, hey, we can withdraw it. Yeah. See this market getting weak, but still getting strong, going up here. It's possible. Let's go back to news. And one of the rules is you can't stay in the market. When you're trading a funded account, you can't stay in the market when news is going on. You have to be out an hour. You have to be out an hour early. So you see, that market is making. So this is what I call the wick, the candle test. I feel like it's gonna come a half candle here, and then it's gonna dump to there. It's gonna dump. Yeah. So all these guys, I'm gonna get out of my trades right now and just watch them play out. I'm biased, but that's 15 minutes. I'm gonna go down the 5-minute chart. 5, and I'd like to grab it from right here. This candle right here, right on top. Yep, right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Was that a wise decision to make? Probably not. Okay, we're just trying to scalp that, but seemed like that wasn't smart. Seemed like that wasn't smart. Think we'll get stopped out. Let's see. Yep, looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Alright, so after this trade, I'm gonna be done. Whatever happens, I'll be done for the day. I'll be done on recording here, actually. Yeah, I told you, man. I said this is probably gonna come down here and just keep making us money, man. See,
Order filled. Order filled.
Grabbing it. Okay, I'm gonna walk away from this desk a little bit.
Stock filled.
Oh shit. So did I get stopped out? Okay, we got stopped out from here, so I have to watch my P&L. Now you see it just said we lost $900. See, that's why. So that's what I don't like about the intraday trading stuff, man. I hate it. You gotta be super careful with it, or else you're gonna get yourself in a hole. Right. So I think, yeah, right before I left, we were up on this trade like 100 something, or 255. Yep, it came down here right before I left. Come on, keep going down. Let's make some of this money back. So you see, that's why I be talking about patience sometimes. I gotta be patient, because up here is where I want us to actually like take our trade, and we see the market's coming there, flew right through. It's coming right up there. It doesn't look like this trade is working, so
Order filled. Order filled.
but yeah, so that's it. We are down. They say $105 here. That's what I hate about the intraday stuff. But actually, we are down $1,000, and we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna get out of here. And peace. I'll see you guys. Have a good one. Oh, let me